Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. This is my treasure trove giveaway, y'all, and this is a continuing giveaway. I've been doing this giveaway for about 2 years now, so and y'all seem to enjoy it. So as long as you will enjoy it, I will keep doing it. And so what I do is I show you 3 different gift sets, so to speak, giveaway sets. And you choose in order of how you'd like to win them. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Well, I'll explain that more as I go because it's hard to explain if I'm not showing you. This is, you know, if you're new, if you've been around a while, then you know how it works. The train always has to interrupt me, y'all. That's just how it is. So anyway, I ask you to choose more than one. I choose your favorite, and then choose the other 2. Because sometimes I choose more than one winner, and that's what I've done this time. So my first winner is Gail McAfee. So Gail chose number 1. So she won the Magic Press short nails, the Dashing Diva. These are so pretty. I love them. They're beautiful for the summertime. And also, whoops, I moved that a little bit, an e.l.f. Length and Volume Black Waterproof Mascara. And then 2 little palettes. One is called, these are the bite-size e.l.f. A lot of these products that I put in here are e.l.f. products. And Dashing Diva, I'm an affiliate for Dashing Diva. So I have their link below. If you ever want to buy anything from Dashing Diva, then check them out under my link. You'll still see exactly the same things as you'd see without my link, but I'll get a little bit of a kickback for it, a couple of cents. So that's very helpful to me. So anyway, this is the I Love You Latte palette. And then also, this is a face palette. This one is pomegranate. And it's a blush and highlighter palette. Isn't that beautiful? So that is what Gail McAfee won. And that's what, you know, this is a small giveaway. But normally when I put the stuff together and get it ready to send out to you, I end up putting a couple of little extra things in there. It's usually a bag that I send out. So I hope that you enjoy that. Gail, please get with me and let me know that you've seen this. And then also, I chose a second winner. So my second winner is Nancy Nettleblatt, and Nancy chose number 3. Now number 3 is a mystery. So I didn't show it to you, so there's nothing to replace. This is how I show you number 3, okay? So let me get into explaining it a little bit better. Nancy, get with me. Let me know that you saw this, and I'll get your winnings out to you. So since grouping number 1 was chosen by Gail, I have to now replace that. So this is gonna be the replacement for group number 1, okay? I usually put some nails of some sort in here, and I have this set here. This is a Dashing Diva. These are the Magic Press, which are what I wear. And I wear medium, just so you know, get an idea. Most of the time. Sometimes I wear the short, and these are short. You all had told me you like short better. This is a short set, very beautiful for summer. Melon colors and some sparkles, you know, accent nails. Very, very pretty set. Now, some of these sets have a name and some of them don't. This one says Sweet Euphoria. That's the name on this one. So that is group number 1. And then also in group number 1, we have a couple other little things. I have a Beauty for Real. This says gel eyeliner, and it's in the color Storm, which is black. You know, there it is at the end. But Beauty for Real brand. And then I also have a little mini This Works brand Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. So this is for morning, it says, but you know, these kinds of things, it might just be lightweight maybe. I'd use this at night if I wanted to. It's a little deluxe mini. And I also have a Lower East Side eyeshadow palette. It's a little, this is also a deluxe mini. This is really pretty, y'all. I got this from Boxycharm. So LES it says, but that's Lower East Side. And I think I just dropped the little color saver. Oh, maybe there isn't one. I don't see it. I didn't, but this is it. There's no mirror or anything, but these are all shimmers, beautiful shimmers. You can wear this palette year-round in my opinion. Beautiful burgundies and a nice orangey there, like a cantaloupe. That looks like cantaloupe to me, and a blush, very pretty. And there's quite a bit in there, you know, really, you know, so that'll last a little while. And that it's called the Punk Rock palette by Lower East Side. Comes in a little box. And then also in group number 1, I have 2 products from the company Sugar. So this is matte. It's called Matte, M-A-T-T-E, Matte as Hell crayon lipstick, and that's a beautiful color. Goes great with the eyeshadows too. And then this adorable thing, I love this. This is a highlighter, and that sleeve showed the purple from here. This is a Contour de Force mini highlighter, it says, and there's a cover. It has a nice magnet closure, no mirror. It's just a really nice, it's hard to see it, but it's a shimmery highlighter. Just a nice base kind of color highlighter. It did have that one does have a color saver, so I'll put that back. It fell when I opened it. Nice magnet closure. And I just love the way when you put that in there, it shows through the S from Sugar. That's pretty. So that is group number 1, okay? So if you like group number 1, you'll put number 1 first, okay? And then group number 2 remains the same because nobody has picked it. So group number 2 is the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter and Blush Duo in Rose Gold. So you've got your highlight and you've got your blush. Very, very pretty. We have this beautiful Seriously Satin Cherry Lippy, and you can see that the component is clear. So you can see the whole lippy in there, the whole bullet. Very pretty color. It's the color of this box, really. And then this I thought you needed with that kind of a red, dark red. You would need a lip exfoliant. This is in Mint Maniac. It also looks like a lippy, but it is it has grains to it, and you rub it on your lips to clean them from your lipstick. And also, even if you don't have lipstick on, you can use this every night to exfoliate your lips. It's really nice. And then also in group number 2 is an e.l.f. volumizing mascara. And then group number 3 is a mystery. So I show you a bag. What's in here, don't think that's what you're getting, because it's probably not. But anyway, what I have been doing since January, y'all, my advent calendars, y'all seem to really like that, and I did some bonuses with my advent calendar openings in December. So I wanted to keep that going because it was a fun game, but that's petered off. So we're going to stop that now. I was showing you items in other videos, and if Gail goes first. Gail, if you know anything from the bonus items from the last month, and you can tell me what they are, you can have them. And if there's anything left over and Nancy knows any of them, she can have them. But don't worry, I'll take care of you both. I'll get you the nice gifts. So nice little gifts. This is a smaller giveaway. Like I said, it's not like, you know, some of my bigger giveaways. But I'll take care of you ladies because I love y'all. And so what you want to do, so let's stop we're stopping the bonus thing now. So what you want to do now, you saw group number 1. Wait a second, I'm mixing it up. Okay, group number 1 is the sort of melon colored press-on nails, the 2 Sugar products, the Lower East Side little eyeshadow palette, this little deluxe hyaluronic acid serum, and the Beauty for Real black gel eyeliner. Group number 1. If you like that best, put that first. But put down 2 and 3 also in your comment. So in case I pick more than one winner, sometimes I pick 1, sometimes I pick 2, sometimes I pick 3. So group number 2, if you like this the best, you'll list this first. This is the highlight and blush palette from e.l.f. These were all e.l.f. products. This is the beautiful lippy and the lip exfoliant and the volumizing mascara. That's group number 2. So if you like group number 1 better, then group number 2, then a mystery excites you 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, in the case of like Nancy listed number 3 first because she wanted the mystery. So then you would list 3. And then maybe you like group number 2 next. So 3, 2, 1 is what you'll say, okay? And, you know, go ahead and say hey to Mary. Hey, Mary. Hey, Mary. I love to talk to you. But then also list your numbers, okay? And if you absolutely hate anything except for 1, then just say the 1. The only thing is, if I do end up picking more than 1 winner and you're picked 2nd or 3rd and you only have 1 listed and it's already been given away. See, Gail picked number 1. If Nancy had picked number 1, I would have had to choose her 2nd choice. Does that make sense? Okay. So I hope that you understand that. That makes sense. So if you tell me in order, and if you really only like 1 and the other things you just, well, I can't wear that red lipstick or whatever the case may be, talk to me. And if you win and we'll figure something out. I'll send you something, okay? So in this particular giveaway, this is my own doings. It's just me. You just have to be subscribed to me. You do not have to be publicly subscribed because I know the ones that are not publicly subscribed, okay? And so if you talk to me regularly, I know who you are. And if I look at your channel and you're not publicly subscribed to me, that's okay. I know that you're here. I know that you're subscribed, okay? So you have to be, just the usual rules apply otherwise. You have to be 18 years or older. I don't know why, but we say that. This has nothing to do with YouTube. It's only I purchased these items with my own money. You have to have an address in the US. I think the continental United States. I tried to look last time I was at the post office about Hawaii because I have a couple of Hawaii people here. And I think I might be able to send to you if you win. So if you're interested and you live in Hawaii, put down your numbers. I'll look into it further, but I think it's okay. I could be wrong. If it ends up being a fortune when I take a little basket to them, then maybe I can send you a gift card to Dollar Tree if you have one or something like that. I don't really know. We'll figure it out. Today is May 20th. So I like to run this about a month or so. So let's go to, we'll say June. Let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks from now is June 17. So let's end at June 17, noon Central Time, and then give me a day or 2 to get another video out, okay? So the 18th or 19th, probably not on Mass Monday. So that's a weekend. I think the 17th is a Saturday. So maybe the 18th I'll get it out. If something comes up and I can't, like this was really hard for me to get this done today because I had an obligation for today. So I just stayed up really late and got up really early to get my filming done. So we'll see what happens in June. So don't be mad at me if I'm not exactly on the perfect date, if that makes sense, okay? I know that y'all love me, so it's okay. So anyway, that's it. I think that's it. So y'all, thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. All the rules are below because I think I probably forgot some. So look below for the rules. And that's it, I think. And count your blessings, and I love y'all. And I'm so glad you're here. And I'm so glad this continues. Y'all seem to like it. If you are getting tired of this, tell me. So I do usually always have other giveaways going on too. But I think right now this is the only giveaway I have going on, I think. So pay attention this week because I'm doing a Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle battle with Johanna from JM Unboxing and More. That's coming up this week. And I will talk to you all soon. Love you guys. Bye.